Hey guys, this is Ty from Tennessee. I appreciate you joining me for another episode. Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be installing some Rinehart 4.5 slip-ons on this motorcycle, and then we're going to compare, well, how does the stock exhaust versus the Rinehart exhaust. We're going to be able to see and hear for ourselves the differences, so I am looking forward to this, so stick around. You know, I really went back and forth on this bike to see if I wanted to upgrade the stock exhaust or if I was just going to leave it there, because I love the way that the stock exhaust look on the CVOs. It looks super sharp, and so I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep that or not. But the more I got online, the more I started researching, the more I realized, you know what, I need to do something here to spruce this bike up a little bit. I've always been a Vance & Hines guy on bikes that I've had in the past, so this is the first time that I've ventured out with anything other than Vance & Hines. So I am really hoping that I'm not going to be disappointed. These type of pipes, these Rineharts, they come highly recommended. Just about everybody that I've spoke to about them, that knows about them or has had them, likes them. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to join that camp as well. Alright, so when we stop at this stop sign here, we're going to test out and see what some of the stock acceleration sounds like. Okay, here we go for the Harley Davidson stock exhaust on the CVO. Now that doesn't sound too bad. Pulling out of the parking lot where we've done some filming. We'll do an acceleration with the stock pipes once again. Here we go. Acceleration from a stop, stock pipes. Alright guys, I'm back at the house. I'm pretty excited because tonight Eric is coming over to the house. He's going to help me install these Rinehart exhausts. Actually, he's going to be the whole mastermind behind the thing. So we've got the pipes over here sitting in the box awaiting his arrival. The bike is here, all set up and ready to go. All we need is Eric. Let's rock and roll. Guys, we've got the Rineharts on the bike now, and we're going to go back through the same route that we did before and try to do the same type of things that we did before, so we can get that good comparison side by side. So I have taken this bike out on a few test runs since Eric and I put these pipes on, and these Rineharts, they just sound outstanding. They've got kind of that deep rumble that I like and exactly what I was looking for. Alright, here we go. Same intersection as before. These are the Rinehart 4.5 slip-on. right, guys, here we go. Same place as last time. These are the Rinehart 4.5 slip-ons. They sound good. They sound really, really good. And how about one more comparison, side by side? Here we go. I appreciate you guys joining me very much today. I hope this was beneficial. I hope that we all learned something, whether you want to keep the stock look, you want to go with the Rineharts, or you want to go with some of the third party. Whatever works good for you works good for me, guys. Well, if you would, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I certainly would appreciate it. I hope you guys have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.